Lesson 3. Vegetative Propagation. Leaves. Let us look at the brief explanation of this lesson. The leaves of some plants have small buds on their margins that can grow into new plants. Plants like Bryophyllum, Begonia, and Sansevieria or snake plant can reproduce through leaves. This plant is Bryophyllum, this is Begonia, and this is Sansevieria. Plantlets. Plantlets can be cut and planted in the soil to form new plants. So as you can see in the picture of Bryophyllum, you can see the small leaf-like parts on the margins of the Bryophyllum leaf. Such structures are called plantlets. Plantlets means small or young plants. Bryophyllum and calantha leaves have buds on their margins that form small plantlets. I have shown the picture of the plantlets in the previous slide. When the leaf falls off the plant and onto the ground, the plantlets detach from the leaf and grow as independent plants, which means these little plantlets, if the whole leaf falls on the ground, these small plantlets or the young plants will detach from this Bryophyllum leaf and they will grow as independent plants. Independent plants means they will grow into separate plants. Sansevieria or snake plant can propagate through leaves. Under suitable conditions, each portion of a healthy leaf can grow into a new plant. A healthy leaf can be cut into sections. We can plant the lower end of each section in soil. After some days, these sections will develop roots. As you can see in this picture, this is the picture of Sansevieria. For example, we are taking a healthy leaf like this one in the front. Then we are cutting these leaves into 4 sections, otherwise sections. Then we plant the lower end of each section in soil. After some days, these sections will develop roots and they will grow into a new plant. We can get the exact copy of a parent plant like this. Now, let us do the practice questions. Question 1. Write if true or false. A. Like begonias, Sansevieria plants can also reproduce through leaves. Answer: true. B. One begonia leaf can form only one new plant. Answer: false. The leaf of calantha plant is similar to a leaf of Bryophyllum. What would happen when a calantha leaf falls on moist soil? Answer: the plantlets on the margin of the calantha leaf will detach from the parent plant and they will grow as independent plants. 3. A. Each section of a Sansevieria leaf can grow into a new plant when planted in soil. A. Write one benefit of this type of reproduction. Answer: we can get the exact copy of the parent plant. B. How is the reproduction in Sansevieria plants similar to that in begonia plants? Answer: begonia plants can also reproduce through leaves. Now, let us move on to the worksheet. Question 1. Take the pictures that show vegetative propagation through leaves. Answer A and C. Question 2. Describe how the two leaves propagate through vegetative propagation. Answer: Bryophyllum leaves have plantlets which detach from the parent plant and grow as independent plants. On Sansevieria, they reproduce through leaves. We can plant the lower end of each section of a Sansevieria leaf in soil. After some days, these sections will develop roots and they can grow into a new Sansevieria plant. Question 3. How is vegetative propagation in Bryophyllum beneficial to us? Answer: people who like to grow indoor plants can cut the plantlets growing along the margins of the bryophyllum leaf. What's more, we will also get the exact copy of the parent plant. Thank you.